Yeah, I just clicked it. Hello?
Hello.
No.
Okay. Are you getting my voice?
Yeah, I hear you. I hear you.
Fine. Okay. Now can you see the screen?
Yes, now I can.
Okay, fine. Uh, Let me write it for you over here. So, which angle is given? Angle C is given.
I go see. Yeah.
Angle C. So, other than the values of angle C, so what other sides are available? Side A and side B is available, but
I.
side C is not available. Okay.
Yeah.
So, I'll write the formula 1 by 2 multiply by A multiply by B multiply by sine C.
90. Oh, okay. So you do
Got it?
half times. You do
Half
half
times
times 3x times 5x times sine 94.
sine 94. So the answer will be whatever the calculator will give you the answer, that would be the final answer of area of triangle.
Okay.
You don't need to calculate the other unknown values and unknown angles or unknown sides. You just have to directly
Yep.
calculate the area of triangle using these two sides. Okay?
Okay.
Any difficulty?
Nope.
Good. Okay. So that was the formula for law of sines. Law of sines for the calculation of area of triangle.
I will try.
Area of triangle for the calculation of law and area of triangle for the calculation with using law of sines. Okay. Any
Okay.
difficulty in it?
Nope.
Okay. Tell me. Can you please tell me the formula which you will use over here?
Okay. So you do half
Half.
times 2x
Hmm.
times x
Sahi.
times sine 100.
Sine 104 degree. Very nice. You can do it easily. No issue. Okay. Fine. But we don't know the value of x. What will be the then what will happen? Basically, the area of triangle is already given to you. That is 12.5 centimeters square
You do 12.5
is equal to
minus that equal to 2
half,
3x.
not 3x, 2x square.
Oh, 2x squared. Oh yeah, 2x
Yeah.
times x. So you do 2x squared, then you could work it out
Mul-
from there.
Multiply by sine 104. So sine 104 will divide 12.5, and then you will do division of with 2, and then whole procedure.
Okay. Okay.
Got it?
Got it.
I hope it's not difficult.
It is kind of difficult. It's okay. It's kind of difficult.
It's a difficult.
Yeah.
Basically, boy, as you can see that, or if you remember, if you want to find out one item out of three items, you must be well aware about, or you must have the values of rest of the two values if you want to calculate the third value. Remember that thing?
Okay. Yep. Yep.
So you are not having the variables of x centimeter. So you must have the values available to you. But what is the hint over here that the area of triangle is given to you, which
Yeah.
should be used as a hint, as a hint.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why you have to use this value and find the value of x centimeter.
Yep.
Fine. Okay, in question
Fine.
number 2, 5 centimeter. If you remember, I told you that in some questions you have to make a diagram. Do you remember that part?
Yep.
So, according to me, in this question number 2, you have to make that diagram. And you have to calculate the
Okay.
angle XYZ. So make a diagram first. Let me open a whiteboard for you, but I think that I can't do it while the screen is shared. Okay, fine. Uh, Fine. So you may tell me that, or if you want to make it by yourself, I gave you a control. Anyone? Okay, if you can use this annotation control,
See. I can't.
you can't.
Well, no, I can see you do it. You had it before you had the pen open.
Yeah, I can see that. Okay, now can you use it?
You, I can't use it.
You
I
can't
see the
use it.
pen, but
Fine, fine, fine. You can't use it. I'm just basically let me. Okay, किधर गया भाई किधर गया. So I can't. Okay, fine. Let's make this diagram. Make this diagram and we make it like triangle. Where is the triangle? Triangle, triangle. Well, so this is the side
yep.
over here. Okay. Side, let's say this is side XY
Yep.
and this is side YZ.
Okay.
So, and we have to find this angle, this one.
Yep.
Total area is given
12 centimeters squared.
12 centimeters square. So, what is the angle of XYZ? Find the value. Use your calculator.
You do.
Have you done
Okay,
that?
wait. I'll bring it.
Yeah. Write it on your copy
I'll get
first.
my computer.
Yeah. You have to
Okay.
get your calculator and write it on your copy. Oh yeah, another formula, that is Hero's formula.
You do half. Uh,
Half,
what's the question?
here is the question.
You do half 5 times 6 times sine
XYZ.
unknown
Yep,
equals 12. So then you could do half
very nice.
30 times sine something equals 12. So that'll equal 15 times sine something equal 12 centimeters squared. Then You could divide by sine
Sine inverse.
inverse. So you do 15 times sine.
Not 15 times.
Oh, why not? The
Sine
formula is half
inverse.
5 times.
Sine inverse and then the bracket and then the value. Then you will have the value of angle.
Right, sine.
What answer have you found? Have you calculated before applying sine inverse?
I haven't
You have.
I haven't done it. No, not yet. How do you do the end part? How do you write it down?
Uh,
What would you do?
okay, do sine inverse bracket start 12 over 15.
Sine 12 over 15. 53?
Yep, that would be 53.
53 degrees.
Yeah, that
Okay.
would be 53 degree. Let me find it as well. Scientific calculator, shift and sine inverse, trigonometric, sine inverse 12 over 15. 12 divided by 15, 0.8 sine inverse. That is 53 degree. Fine.
Yep.
So now you found out an angle that is 53 degree. Okay. Was it difficult or
Yep.
easy?
It was okay. It's
Okay,
just
there is
the
another formula.
calculator part. I don't know what I didn't know
There
what.
is another formula of to calculate area of triangle, which we called Hero's formula. What we call it?
Hero formula.
Hero's formula. And the formula is mentioned over
Hero
here.
formula.
If you can look at this diagram, this table. Under root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. If you have all the sides available and no angle is required, then the formula of area of triangle
Okay.
would be s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, whereas s is equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2.
Okay.
Okay, then this would be the formula.
Oh, so you do 6 plus 8 plus 10, so that's 24 divided by 2, which is 12. So we do
Yeah.
12 times 12 minus 6, 12 minus 8, 12 minus C.
Very nice, Ibad. Very nice. You have got it. You have got an idea. So how many formulas of area of triangle you have read today? Three.
3.
One is normal half into base into height. Second
Yeah.
is using law of sines. 1 by 2 into a b sine c. And
Okay,
the
okay.
third one is Hero's formula. Okay.
Mm, okay.
So this is the third formula. And now over here, find the area of each of the following figures. So you have to calculate the area of this triangle. Which formula will you use?
Uh, half. So you do half 9 times 8. That's going to be 36 times sine 72.
Very nice. Very nice. And what will you do over here with this part of diagram?
That's 34.
Area of this
Um,
parallelogram.
find the area. So you
Yes,
do length times width. We don't have a length.
we have.
So to,
We have.
I mean, you have the length, but you don't have the width.
So we don't need that. But basically what we need, if this is 78 degree, then this is also 78 degree.
Yep.
If this is 8.5 meter, 8.5, 8.5, 8.5. So we have the triangles if we make it by making it separately, making it apart over here.
Okay.
Okay. So we
Yep.
can use the diagram with area of triangle formula. So we don't need to find for the parallelogram length into width.
Okay.
So we will find the area of one triangle and the other triangle area will be calculated directly without any issue. And we will add both
Yep.
the triangles area. Now over here, two sides, two angles.
Two sides triangles. So what do you need? Oh, what do you need to find out?
Well, how will you do that?
So you add the two angles. That's 133 minus 180. So angle LKG is 47
Wine.
because angles in a triangle add up to 180.
So you will solve the formula. You will use this formula to calculate the area of triangle, while this 47 degree or 47 degree you have calculated it. So this one 1 by 2 into this into sine this angle.
Fine.
Okay, because you don't have height, so you can't find calculate the
Okay.
area. You can't use any other formula. You can't use Hero's formula because you don't have the third side. So either calculate the third side first or find this angle and use the law of sines to calculate the area of triangle.
Okay.
Any difficulty?
No, not now.
Good. Great. Sine rule. Over here, if as I told you the law of sine rule, A over sine alpha equal to B over sine beta equal to C over sine gamma. Remember?
Yep.
So this is the formula. And why we use this formula? Basically, we use this formula to calculate the unknown angles and unknown sides. Okay?
Yep.
Fine. Half this area of triangle.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, now how will you find this value, unknown values? Over here,
So you add 67.6 and 45.5.
and then
Wait, you minus them. So 180 minus
very nice. Then what will happen?
67.6.
What will
So you do A over 67.6,
sine
I think, equals 7 sine. So you do A over 67.6 equals 7.6 over 45.5. So you do um,
when
A
you
67 over 76.
here is the solution. You are somehow right, but somehow wrong. I
Oh,
think so. A over sine 67.6 is equal to 7.6 over 7 sine
yeah.
66.9. So with the help of this
Wait, why
value,
is
sorry,
why is 7.6 on
over
top?
here.
Why is it the numerator?
Basically, you have only this side available. You don't have any other side available to
Yep.
find out the unknown variable. So you will use this side and you have calculated this angle already by subtracting these two values from 180
Yep.
degree. So that's why these two angles are
Okay.
available to you. Okay. But you have don't have these sides. So you will use the values of A over sine A is equal to C over sine C. Got it?
Oh, C is the only. Okay, yeah.
Yep. So that's why we have
So we
calculated the C. So side C is available, side A is not available, and side B is not available. So we have to calculate both these sides. So we will use the angles we use the sine rule to find the sides. But don't
okay,
mess it
okay.
up with the area of triangle formula for sines.
Okay.
Okay, there is a difference between area of triangle and the sides measurement.
Okay.
And one more thing I would like to tell you that the form values of area of triangle will also be different. If you will be using Hero's formula, and on the other side you will be using the values of law of sines to calculate the area of triangle.
Yeah. Okay.
Answer will be different. I'll do a little bit research on it and then I will make it confirm to you. Okay? So you should not be
Okay.
you should not
Okay.
be doing this wholesome exercise by yourself, because it would be a wastage
Okay.
for you or it won't be a wastage for me. So you have a lot of questions to practice today.
Have you have you said the questions?
I will be sharing it with you. I'm just going through with these examples. I will be sharing it with you. Here is the exercise C, angle A, side B,
Yeah.
side A. Okay, just let me share it first with you.
Yeah. So I did the questions now.
Yeah, I'm sending it. Just let me.
And then
I hope you did not get bored. 182. 182 से 221. Extract. Chapter number 6.
I'm gonna send on WhatsApp.
Sorry? Yeah, I will sending over here on WhatsApp. Because at least you will be having some exercise. Wholesome exercise.
I'll do the questions right now.
Just wait a minute. The screen is shared with you. I think so. Fine. Have you received the file?
I'll check.
Yeah, check it out and download it. Is this provision of relevant questions helping you out or not? Ibad?
I got it.
Got it. Okay. Is this provision is are these exercises helping you out?
Yes.
Okay. Do you try to solve it with from your own book after that?
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I do.
So do you have any problem in solving from your own book?
No.
Sorry?
No, no. No
That's good.
problem.
That's good. That's good. So you are getting confident
Okay.
that you can do these topics by yourself from your own book as well. So can you see the screen at the moment?
Yes, I can.
Okay, fine. So you have a chapter number 6 available to you now. Let me look at this. If you have further questions, no, that is the bearing, next chapter. Okay, let me tell you something about this bearing. Do you know what the concept of bearings? Hello?
But parents, I did them before, but I think I forgot how to do them. I did it
Okay,
before.
Do you know where it is applied? In which field? Usually,
Okay.
it is usually applied in Air Force. Okay, Air Force and Navy. But
I
they,
didn't.
yeah, they use it in Air Force while giving a concept of
To find
one
out
of
like
the,
lighthouses.
yeah. So they use it in
Okay.
telling about the angles. They telling about the directions. Likewise, in armed forces, usually they tell about 3 o'clock or 6 o'clock or 11 o'clock. So basically, that is the concept of bearing, but in context of times. 11 o'clock. Okay, look at your 11 o'clock. So that is basically angle which they give, which they provide to the other person who is working in
Yeah.
between them. When we talk about the Air Force, and say that okay, bearing of 30 degree. So it means that we have to look at our
Okay.
right hand side and 30-degree angle. That is 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Okay, so it is always from the angle of from the north side. Bearing is always used from the north side. So we say that okay, look at 30 degree or 150-degree bearing. So because it means that we are supposed to go at 150 degree towards the other side.
Go inside.
So this is the basically concept of bearing, and it is not difficult even. It is easy.
Okay.
Fine. So it was just a glimpse of this about this chapter. I will find further questions and I'll share it with you. Okay. You have sufficient questions if I'm not wrong.
ठीक है.
ठीक है ना? So now I will
Yeah.
allow me to leave now and start preparing the questions.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Take care. अल्लाह हाफिज. कोई चीज पूछनी है तो पूछ लो लड़के जवान.